Hello everybody, welcome to my 112th VBA 2010 tutorial. And this tutorial is going to show you how you would create a new text file and also add some data to it, because otherwise it's a bit of a waste of time. So first of all, we want to just again create our file path string. So copy and paste that. And I'm going to call this one my new text.text. And then we're going to do this one slightly different. So instead of using the kind of standard open and append, we're going to use a file system object. So we need to create ourselves a file system object. So dim fso as object. And then we want to set fso equals create object, and it's the same way we've been using for ADO and file system objects when we were looking for files from the system. So scripting.file system object close bracket. So now we've got our file system object, and we want to just create our file. So we need to create a file object. So dim my file as object, and then set my file equals fso dot, and then we use the create text file method of the fso object, and we pass it our file path, so my file path, and then we want to just close it off. So my file dot close. And apparently I cannot type today, which is nice. There we go, my file dot close. Oh, for goodness sake, I'm going crazy. And so we close it, and then we also want to set it equal to nothing. So set my file equals nothing. So if you've watched my active data object tutorials, then you'll recognize this. If not, just type it in when you finish off, so that it closes down your file and doesn't leave any connections open to it, because otherwise there's a chance it will get corrupted. We then, let's say we want to actually stick something in our file, so let's do my file dot write line, and then this lets us put a new line in. So I'm going to say hello world, and then I'm going to do another one, so my file dot write line, and then let's put in hello world again. So this is going to write 2 lines to our file and then close it down. So let's press play. It's saying it can't create the object. And it's because I've spelled scripting wrong, which is a bit noobish. So press play, and then let's go look on our desktop. We've got this my new text file that's just been created, and if we open it up, we'll see it's got our 2 lines of text in it. And that is how you would create a text file. Now you can be quite clever with this, and I'm going to show you how you can be clever with this in the next couple of tutorials, and you can start to create HTML files or XML files or SQL files, batch files and things like that. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial where we'll look at creating a HTML file.